All right, number 9 in the series of 100. Another question I get all the time. Does it matter what strings you use? If you listen to the last video, you probably could guess this answer. Answer is no. Now, certain strings more expressible, maybe, and have a better tone, maybe. You can get a steel string, steel core string that'll last you forever, but it'll sound pretty zingy and maybe not so pleasant. You can get a good gut chord one. I prefer helichords by D'Addario. I'm an endorser for them. Or whatever other ones, Tomastic Dominance or something, or whatever brand you like. Whatever makes you want to play it and listen to it. You got to hear it too. So do we have to have a special string set? Hell no. As long as we're honest, do we have to have a special bow? No, we don't. Do we have to have a special rosin? No, we don't. Do you have to have a special attitude? Yes, you do. That's another subject. But just do it. Use the equipment. Use whatever you got. Yes, different rosins will have a different attack, different tone. One's more scratchy, one's a little smoother. Those are subtleties. Who cares? You need to find what works for you and be yourself. And that's another video we'll get to in the 100 for sure, too, how to bring out your personality within your improvisations as well. So do we have to have special strings? No, absolutely not.